Hi, I'm Chef Bailey, a private chef with ChefBailey.com, and I'm standing in the kitchen of Melba's 125 with the owner and chef herself, Miss Melba. Hey, Melba.
Hi, Chef Bailey.
Today, we're going to be making a 5-star quiche, which is kind of a great recipe for your Super Bowl party. Now, when I think of 5-star, I don't know about you, but I think of seafood.
Yes.
You know, and maybe different types of cheeses and stuff like that.
I also think of good.
Good.
You've got 5 stars.
Exactly. So it's
really
got to be
good.
tasty and creamy. So this particular quiche has shrimp and spinach and Gruyere cheese as well.
Okay.
So a quiche is really simple. You just add some milk, about a half a cup, 2% milk sometimes I like to use. You got 4 medium eggs beaten. You just want to put some of your cheese in the beginning, about half. Okay. And once again, that's cheddar and that's Gruyere. You want to throw your shrimps in there. This is cooked, about 8-ounce cooked shrimp.
Cooked and chopped?
Cooked and chopped, right? And then you have some spinach. You can use frozen or fresh. It's up to you. Yeah, 5-star, I would imagine fresh would be best. And then some crab seasoning, black pepper, and some salt.
Great.
And you just throw that in there. And it's really so easy. Once again, when it's a Super Bowl party, you don't want to be in the kitchen too long.
Right.
You got to get the house looking together and all that other stuff. Okay?
Okay.
So you whisk that all together.
And I know that this is typically for Super Bowl, but can, the Oscars are coming, Grammys are coming?
Any party,
okay,
I would, because it's so quick. It's so quick, and it doesn't require that much time in the kitchen, so I would do it for any party, really. And just pour this in a 9-inch pie crust, frozen. Get that all in there. And then the remainder of that cheese, you just want to put on top there like so.
Okay, I'm going to help you with this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I might even eat a little.
I love cooking with you. You're a lot of fun to cook with, Chef Bailey.
Thank you. And when it's all said and done, this is what your quiche would look like. And that's a 5-star quiche. Thank you, Melba.
Thank you. I can't wait to taste this 5-star quiche.